Well, we dropped the pretty bike for the first time. And importantly, how are you?
I'm alive.
You're live.
I'm kicking.
You're
and
using
I've
some
got Uncrustables.
Uncrustables to
Ice.
ice it off.
Mm-hmm.
So we have factory Yamaha frame sliders on here, and I was kind of wondering how they would actually do, because this paint is not going to be easy to match when it gets scratched up, when it does get dropped, because it will get dropped, because every bike will get dropped. It's just how it is.
Are you going to show them where I scratched it?
I am going to show them where it's scratched. So we were on a back road that was, it was pretty rocky. It was a hill going uphill and to the right when we stopped, and Kelsey wasn't sure what I was quite going to do, so it kind of fell on this side. It fell this side downhill, so it probably kind of slid a little bit. I don't know, but let me show you the damage, because it's really not bad. I was impressed with how well the frame sliders kind of protected things. So, a little bit of a scrape right here for the passenger pegs. Absolutely nothing on this little winglet here on the back. The shifter got bent in a little bit, our wonderful factory quick shifter that we just installed. Everything else down here looks fine. The whatever it's called, frame slider thing that we installed, yeah, that worked. That worked out. We're glad we had it. This is the only little nick we have on the paint, and as rocky as that road was, I'm not surprised that we have something. Up here, I'm going to go to a wide angle so you can see a little better. The little clutch lever got a little bit nicked, not bad. We didn't actually hit the little spinny thing here, whatever that's called. And the blinker is pushed in. And I can pull that out and get it back where it goes. That's not hard, that's no big deal. So overall, impressed with the factory frame sliders. They work, yay.